before we talk about a few things which I really wanted to share, and though we term it as last lecture, this is not really a lecture. This is more like, don't know about you, but more like, me feeling bad, me feeling emotional, and it's the same with other faculty members for sure. I'm not sure whether you feel emotional or not. Okay, the celebration is over now. I really wanted to inform this that final year students are not getting debarred, and this is only as an exception.
Thank you so much.
Please don't tell the same thing to your juniors. कोई बात नहीं, 10th semester में नहीं करेगी debarred. So please don't tell this to your juniors, and don't go out and say we are not getting debarred, because they are. And it's not a joke, seriously they are getting debarred, and the percentage is not being lowered. This time every student is getting debarred with less than 75%. The only exception is I don't want to take up a lot of time, because there are so many faculty members who really want to share what they are feeling. I'm sure some of you want to talk about a few things if time permits, but a couple of things we have done this time differently. We do have some awards, and these are all fun awards, but faculty members have voted. So there was a voting done, and faculty members have voted. So some of you may get these fun awards, and others, once we go out, Hindi mein there's something called as Kambal Pitai. Do you know that? So I just want to share. सुपित बोल रहा है मुझे आज तक कभी कंबल पिटाई नहीं मिली है. So I'm generally for the last lecture I have a list of 20-30 things which I genuinely tell all the students, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to state or make one comment, and that's it. And then of course we will go ahead with whatever the event is. But even before that, we play that video. So we have curated one video for you.
कदम कदम पर कहानी थी, हर मुस्कान में एक नई जुबानी थी, किताबें थी, सपने थे, दोस्तों के संग अपने थे, कभी हंसना कभी रुलाना, हर पल को दिल से उठाना। 5 साल का ये सफर अब यादों का है एक सुंदर बहर। ना रहेगी वो क्लासरूम की कह कहा, ना होगी कैंटीन की वो चहचहा, पर दिल के कोने में बस जाओगे, जब भी याद आओगे मुस्कुराते जाओगे। ये अलविदा नहीं एक नई शुरुआत है, सपनों की ओर एक प्यारी बात है।
To all the amazing seniors, congratulations on this incredible milestone. We are so proud of you and can't wait to see all the heights that you achieve in life. We wish you all the very best for your life and hoping to meet you someday professionally in life. Until then, all the very best.
You've been our guiding light, our supporters, and the ones who made this journey unforgettable. As we move ahead, know that your legacy will forever remain with us. I'll forever cherish the lessons and laughter that we, and honestly, I had a lot of fun with some of it. I'm definitely Mr.
You all are dear seniors. Thank you so much for guiding us, and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपके नए सफर के लिए। और बहुत अच्छा लगा लास्ट 1 ईयर आपके साथ आपने हमारा साथ दिया, चाहे वो फूड से रिलेटेड हो और चाहे वो आपका व्यवहार हो, हर चीज़ से आप बहुत अच्छे लगे हमें और हमारी शुभकामनाएं और हमारा आशीर्वाद आप लोग सभी लोगों के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच।
There is also an appreciation token for Tuhina. The next one is... These are the nominees. Any guesses? It's none other than Chandan from Alabama. इसने इतनी ज्यादा नेगोशिएशन की है कि सारी फैकल्टीज ने इसका नाम दिया है। Okay, so the next one is the best CR. These are the nominees. The winner is Navya. Okay, the next one. These are, the winner is Rehan. Okay, so the next one is titled Can't Sit, Must Click. The unofficial photographer of UPES. There are 2 awards जिसमें कोई गेस नहीं करेगा। एक तो ये, नेक्स्ट आएंगे वापस। उत्कर्ष।
फोटो खींच रहा होगा।
हाँ यार।
उत्कर्ष फिर से फोटो खींच रहा है।
फोटो खींचो।
किसी की फोटो खींच रहा है।
भेज दो उसको।
आज नहीं है।
So for the first time I have kind of written a script, penned down something. So I'll just kind of read the script for you all. Dear students, I am not a person of written scripts, but the occasion today and the love and affection showered by you all have compelled me to pen down a few things for you in the last lecture. I have written this with a view to 5-year and 3-year batches, but I see LLMs also there, so please count this in. Firstly, I congratulate you all for coming this far and accomplishing your law school journey successfully. Secondly, I wish you all the best for times to come, for new roles, new challenges, and new learnings waiting for you ahead. Through today's interaction with you, I will like to reflect upon the beautiful moments shared with you all, both inside and outside the classrooms, and will share some pointers that you may consider in times to come in your life. I'm sure if not all, most of you have engaged with me in your journey of law school. Whether it be in the form of teacher-student connect or through the glorious times spent in the alumni committee nearly 2 years, the moot court committee nearly 2.5 years, and obviously the animal law study club from last few years. It may have been in the lectures of evidence, or in the lectures of labor laws, or in the lectures of animal law, or it may have been some association without any formal compulsions. The fabulous student team who worked with me in Alumni Connect, or the wonderful team who have worked with me in organizing mammoth projects of moot courts. Just this afternoon, I had an interaction with arguably one of the best mooters of this law school, Ms. Muskan Sethi. And we had a very emotional interaction where we reflected on our journeys. Or it may be those wonderful souls who aspired and dreamed with me to have an animal law study club in this law.
Christmas, when I cut, I think many pink slips. So I'm cutting the pink slips, and then there is lots of discussion during discipline when I call you many people. So these are some memories which you will carry. But apart from that, I also taught some people. So especially the BBA people, Suprit and Navya and all those batches I taught. And then I taught the election law in the 9th semester.
Yes, sir.
And above that, with those people who I have interacted the most is the people with whom I have came. So all those people at the back, Uday jaise, I have never seen a person like Uday who is involved in cheering like anything. So especially during this Spandan, so we were having a very close match in the volleyball. And then this gang came up and computer science faculty मुझसे कहती है कहाँ से आए हैं? So at the end of the day, so lastly I want to say one thing, that today is Akshay Tritiya. So Akshay means that this bonding should be forever, so it should not be diminished. So kindly be in touch, and of course as Abhijit has said, we will call you but in the share cap. So thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, especially to the IPR batch. I think BCom LLB also have taught 7 semester, 70 students batch. I and Shubham, both of us have taught. Sorry Shubham for taking like lot of time off from your class, because half of the time I keep scolding them. So first thing I would like to start with an apology. Start my class नहीं आते हो, पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो, पढ़ के नहीं आए हो. I think LLM batch will also agree to me. So yeah, all the best guys. And you all have been, I always believed in you all. You know that. No matter how much I scolded you, but you always end up not getting the bar in the class. Also with good marks. Because I always believed that only thing which I could do for you all is that to teach you, which I could do the best to make you understand. So that's what my objective has always been. So forget all the scolding and everything, and all the best. I'm always there whenever you need anything, any help, any guidance. You've always been my favorite. And Suprit, one last time, thank you so much. Thank you everybody.
Along with our youngest professor, thank you sir.
अग्नेस, मैंने सुना है तुम भी CR हो.
Agnes, get over. और ये केक मिलेगा, ये बाहर मिलेगा. Okay, so that everyone should know कि कुछ तो हो रहा है. But strictly for 10 or 20 seconds. 1 minute. On the, you all can stand up because after this we have to go out anyway. to be on the count of 3, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Before you go out, just two things. So there are two boards outside. One is the gratitude wall. Please drop in your messages to your peers.